Hi, my name is Lauren, and this is going to be the start of my YouTube channel. So, like I just stated, my name is Lauren. I am a makeup artist. I have done makeup forever now. I started really experimenting when I got out of high school with it, but I learned to love it because my best friend, to this day, used to trap me in her bathroom and forcefully shoved mascara in my eyeball. But besides that, I do both glam and special effects makeup, like Halloween makeup and body paint makeup and just weird, fun, creepy kind of stuff. It's really entertaining for me, and hopefully it's going to be entertaining for you guys since I am going to start a YouTube. I've wanted to start a YouTube for a few years now. I didn't do to what everyone, when they don't want to do something, fear of failure. I do have an Instagram, like I said, and I post a lot of my stuff on there. I do need to work on being a little bit more frequent on that. Please forgive me. But I always thought I was gonna, not work out in it. But I'm gonna do it anyways. I have taken a step out of my comfort zone with working at a salon. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I decided to run and jump off a cliff and start a YouTube channel because I've been petrified. I've actually recorded videos in the past, about like over a year ago, I think, maybe not even. I just know time-wise, it was when I was doing a bunch of fun colors with my hair. That's basically how I can tell time. But I made like 4 or 5. I edited a few of them and trashed them. Garbage. I did not like them whatsoever. It goes from me being petrified to do this to me being perfectionist, that if it's not the right way or if it's not how I want it done, I don't want to post it, which is good, but it makes you really push everything you want to do back. So I decided to start that today. So, hi, thank you for being here. I'll be doing some makeup stuff, some weird stuff, because that's just me as a person. I'm weird, and it's funny, to at least me. But the push that I really took to make this is because I ordered Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Valentine's Day, and I thought it would be so fun and so cool to do an unboxing video of them because I love Jeffree Star everything. Obsessed with it because it's so amazing. But I thought that'd be cool, so I wanted to come on here and make a intro to a channel, so then when I do post an unboxing video, which would probably be my first video, question mark, because I know those boxes have shipped. Hopefully they'll be here soon. But yeah, that's me, and that is what I plan on doing. So thank you for being here and joining. If you're from my Instagram, hi, and if you're new, hi. You can check out my Instagram. I'll have it below. I've probably had black in my teeth this entire time because this is a glittery lipstick that I'm currently obsessed over, and it's great. But thank you for being here with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye.